ceritain pertandingan yang tadi?
Ya hari ini pertandingan hari ini mungkin kurang oke untuk kami, penampilan kami hari ini. Jadi mereka lawan juga tampil lebih baik. Siapa Pornpawi mungkin biasa main single, kali ini main double mungkin dia bisa lebih mengcover lebih banyak ya partnernya gitu. Dan kami mungkin kondisinya udah agak menurun dari awal karena kita main terus gitu. Jadi ya yang pasti bedanya di fisik sama di pace juga. Fisik yang lebih diinin sih, kalau di women's double kan lebih banyak rally ya. Kalau aku kan di mixed double nggak terlalu banyak rally dan nggak terlalu banyak pukul juga gitu, lebih ke speed dan pace-nya juga gitu. Jadi ya beda di fisik aja sih.
Very physical.
Yes.
Okay. You said that you will come back here for women's double.
Yeah.
What makes you want? What makes you decide?
To do that?
Yes.
Two reasons. From the start, I really wanted to continue another year, but Robin didn't want to, so I felt a little bit sad about that. And then I got the opportunity that Sarah called me, like, hey, you want to play some more in January? And in January, it's my 3 favorite tournaments in the world. It's Malaysia Open, Indonesia Masters, and there's also Thailand. Plus, I would like to work a little bit for the BWF. So by going to Asia in January, play a bit, I can also start thinking about the future. So it's a win-win for me, basically. And I love coming back here. I love the weather, I love the food, I love the people. So for me, it's only a happy feeling. But I need to train harder because I wasn't good today for women's doubles. I can't use it as a warm-up because in 2 weeks I go to Bali for holiday. So after coming back from Bali, I need to train really hard again to be in good shape.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Silakan subscribe, like, dan jangan lupa komen di bawah ya bola spotter.